The AXIAM Scouty is a compact, lightweight, and urban-focused vehicle designed for easy navigation in city environments. Here are some key details about the AXIAM Scouty. General overview. Category: quadricycle lightweight four-wheeled vehicle. Manufacturer: AXIAM, a French company specializing in microcars. Target market: urban drivers, particularly those looking for an economical and eco-friendly vehicle for short-distance travel. Design and features. Body style: compact and boxy design, optimized for city driving and parking. Dimensions: small footprint, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Seating capacity: typically seats 2 people. Doors: usually features 2 doors. Engine and performance. Engine type: electric or low displacement internal combustion engine ICE. Electric version: zero emission, ideal for urban environments. ICE version: small engine, often under 50 cc for low fuel consumption. Top speed: limited to around 45 km per hour, 28 miles per hour in many regions, as it falls under the quadricycle category. Range: varies depending on the model. Electric versions typically offer a range of 50–100 km on a single charge. Licensing and regulations. Driver's license. In many countries, the AXIAM Scouty can be driven with a lower category license, for example, AM license in Europe, making it accessible to younger drivers or those without a full car license. Registration: often classified as a light quadricycle, which may have simpler registration requirements compared to standard cars. Practicality: fuel efficiency: extremely fuel efficient, especially the electric version. Parking: easy to park due to its small size. Cost: affordable purchase price and low running costs. Use cases: ideal for city commuting, short trips, and running errands. Suitable for drivers who prioritize simplicity, affordability, and environmental friendliness. If you're looking for more specific details about a particular model or year, let me know.